Welcome to the Babylon Guitar Project. Thanks for joining me. First, where did I get this idea? Well, I saw this massive sculpture at the British Museum and it caught my eye, and I thought this could make a really neat guitar. So I purchased a piece of wood, started planning out my design, and got to work. It's hard going. This is alder wood, and it's difficult to carve. I use a range of different tools, from chisels to a few Dremel type tools to get a lot of the details in. Take my time. If I start getting tired or bored with one particular area, I'll move around. The last thing you want to do is rush any kind of wood carving. You can always take off, but you can't add wood. Lots more refinement on the eyes. Looking for symmetry, and of course trying to get into the very small details. There's so much more to do. I hope you follow the progress, and thanks.